Next, let's see how we make the prediction. Predictive model is the function that maps the input features of the patient to the output target. For example, if we know a patient's past diagnosis, medication, and lab result, if we also know this function, then we can assess how likely the patient will have heart failure. Depending on the value of the target, the model can be either regression problems or a classification problem. In regression problem, the target is continuous. For example, if we want to predict the cost that a patient will incur to the healthcare systems, then it's a regression problem, and why is the cost in dollars? The popular method includes linear regression and generalized additive model. If the target is categorical, for example, whether the patient has heart failure or not, then it's a classification problem. Popular methods include logistic regression, support vector machine, decision tree, and random forest. You will learn all these methods in separate lectures such as machine learning.